Looking for a turntable that delivers exceptional sound quality without the hassle? The limited edition Pro-Ject Essential III turntable with a factory-mounted Ortofon OM10 cartridge offers just that. From the first note, you'll notice the difference: crystal clear audio, minimized surface noise, and a smooth, quiet play that brings your favorite records back to life. What sets this turntable apart? It features a precision 8.6-inch aluminum tonearm that ensures accurate tracking, paired with an acrylic platter designed to reduce vibrations. The high-precision DC speed control keeps your records spinning at the perfect pace, so every note sounds exactly as it should. Plus, it comes with a 1.23-meter semi-balanced audio cable and RCA connectors for easy setup with your existing system. One satisfied user shared how this turntable transformed their classical music experience. Revisiting Mahler's Ninth Symphony with the Chicago Symphony Orchestra, they noticed how the Ortofon cartridge faithfully reproduced deep bass and delicate string tones while eliminating the distracting surface noise common with older models. Unlike previous turntables that required fiddling with grounding wires, this model plays quietly and reliably from the start. Keep in mind, the belt drive design means you'll want to lift records carefully by their edges to avoid slipping the belt off the platter. It's a small adjustment that quickly becomes second nature, especially when balanced against the outstanding sound quality you get in return. If you're ready to upgrade your vinyl setup, the Pro-Ject Essential III is worth a look. It combines solid build quality with precision engineering to deliver a listening experience that's both immersive and effortless. Whether you're rediscovering old favorites or exploring new records, this turntable makes every spin count. Try the Pro-Ject Essential III when you're ready to hear your collection in a whole new way. With its reliable performance and clear, rich sound, it's a smart choice for anyone serious about vinyl.